But the chilly little penguin just laughed with glee. Four little penguins spinning on the ice. One spun away, oh wasn't that nice. Mama called out, come back to shore. But that silly little penguin wanted more. Three little penguins waddling in the snow. One slipped down, uh-oh, where did he go? Mama called out, clap your feet. And the giggly little penguin said, that's neat. Two little penguins playing hide and seek. One hid so well, gone for a week. Mama called out, time for a hug. And the little penguin popped out from the rug. One little penguin feeling so blue. I miss my friends, what should I do? He called out loud, come slide again. And all five penguins came waddling in.